I've led a very active life. I've played many sports, so I've travelled a lot and climbed mountains. I had to have 2 total knee replacements. Basically, the cartilage had run out, so it was bone on bone. And without that, I couldn't really go on anymore. It was very, very difficult to walk. It was in extreme pain all the time.
Around 60,000 knee replacements are performed in Australia each year. Rehabilitation has always been one of those global deficiencies. Patients weren't being motivated, they didn't have a sense of direction nor a sense of fulfillment at the end of it.
So I work in biomedical engineering with a specific focus on rehab engineering. So I work with patients after total knee replacement to get them back to their quality of life from before surgery. I really wanted to work on a project that would have real-world implications and really improve a real patient's quality of life. I commenced a biomanufacturing PhD program, and it combines PhD candidature at Flinders with an industry partner. So we paired with MAXM Skate because we wanted to do research that would have a real impact on a patient's life and on their journey after surgery.
So MAXM Skate is a developed digital and tangible product that allows patients in a structured fashion perform their rehabilitation with motivation, gamification, and a sense of achievement because they get live feedback.
We're seeing a real shift from hospital and clinical settings of rehab into more home-based scenarios. Consumers are wanting something physical, tangible, that they can see, that they can use, so they can see the real effects of it.
Because you're in a lot of pain from, day zero, what you can do is use a skate to move your foot along a surface without any friction, and you can see the extent to which your exercises are successful.
Flinders University became involved via the medical device partnering program. Their ability to help me build the skate and then to develop and build the sensors has been instrumental in the building of the product. Flinders has supported us through a number of studies.
The scientists, the researchers can develop the technology and validate all the digital devices, whereas the industry can bring the real patient's perspective into play. And so understanding both is important for these sorts of technologies to be employed successfully in the real world.
Right from day one, the MAXM Skate has been very, very good. Without it, it would not have been so easy to get those flexibility exercises happening.
The 3 pillars of rehabilitation are movement, strength and function, and because the skate allows early improvement in movement with the motivation of the gamified numbers that are fed back to the patients, we are seeing much improved movement in patients over a shorter period of time. So returning to activity is our goal, and we're achieving that.
These knee replacements have given me a new lease on life. What I'm looking forward to mostly now is to be able to travel again, walk around 18 holes of golf and just live a normal life without the pain.